Hello everyone. Share a recently popular Flux.1 model. Trained and open sourced by the well-known author Datou. This model can generate pencil hand-drawn style pictures. Very suitable for generating hand-drawn illustrations for children's audiobooks generated by AI. Double-click run_NVIDIA_GPT. BAT. The basic model uses FP8 quantization. Here the first Lora model uses turbo for acceleration. The second Lora is the pencil hand-drawn model. Here Xiao_xin and pencil sketch are used to trigger the keywords of Lora. It means, the girl in the red dress, close up. Set the generated image ratio here. The default seed is 0, and the result is random each time. The default iteration step is 12 steps. The device is 4060 laptop version. The video memory occupies about 7 GB. 12-step iteration takes 15 seconds. Modify keywords, beautiful woman taking a bath. That's all, thank you for watching. This is Lu Yu's technical blog.